Hello student, today I am going to discuss types of dimensional variables and principle of homogeneity of dimension. There are four different types of dimensional variables. Number one, dimensional variable. The physical quantities which do not have constant dimension are called dimensional variables. Example: area, velocity, energy, force, etc. So already we have discussed dimension of area, velocity, energy, force. So all these physical quantities have different dimension. They are not having the same dimension. So like that, physical quantities are called dimensional variables. Number two, non-dimensional variables. The physical quantities like angle, specific gravity, strain, these physical quantities neither causes dimension nor they have their constant value. So like these quantities are called non-dimensional variables. Means these quantities do not have dimension, also they do not have constant value. Number three, dimensional constant. The physical quantities at which possess dimension and also have a constant value are called dimensional constant. Example: gravitational constant, Planck's constant, gravitational constant, Planck's constant, they have dimension, also they are having constant value. So like this, physical quantities according to dimension are called dimensional constant. And lastly, 4, non-dimensional constant. Non-dimensional constant. The constant quantities having no dimension are called non-dimensional constant. These are only simply constant value but do not have any dimension. Example: 1, 2, 3, natural number, pi, e, etc. These are constant value but do not have constant. So these four types of dimensional variables, means physical quantities, are divided into four categories according to dimension, on the basis of dimension. So therefore, on the basis of dimension, physical quantities are divided into four categories. That is dimensional variables, number 1, number 2, non-dimensional variables, number 3, dimensional constant, and number 4, non-dimensional constant. Now we will discuss principle of homogeneity. principle of homogeneity of dimension. It states that the dimension of the fundamental quantities, mass, length, time, are the same in each and every term for either side of the physical relation. According to this statement, it is saying that on either side of any physical quantity having the same dimension, it means in any physical quantities, each and every terms of any physical quantities having the same dimension. Example, S equal to ut plus half at square. In this equation, there are three terms. One is S, another is ut, and lastly is half at square. Meaning dimension of S, dimension of ut, and dimension of half at square will be same. If it is same, according to principle of homogeneity, each and every term has the same dimension. Let's see dimension of S. So dimension S is a distance, so dimension is m0 l t0. Dimension of ut, u is velocity, you know dimension of velocity is m0 l t to the power minus 1, again time is t, so ultimately it is m0 l t0. And dimension of half at square, half is a dimensionless constant, acceleration a is acceleration, dimension of acceleration m0 l t to the power minus 2, and dimension of t square is t square, that is m0 l t0. Now see dimension of S, dimension of ut, and dimension of half at square. Half at square, dimension of S m0 l t0, dimension ut m0 l t0, dimension of half at square m0 l t0. So each and every term on this equation has the same dimension. So according to principle of homogeneity, each and every term on either side of physical quantity has the same dimension. Now uses of dimension. So using dimension, we can check the correctness of a physical equation. So the uses of dimension to check the correctness of a physical equation. Number 2, to derive the relation between different physical quantities. And number 3, to change from one system of units to another. There are 3 uses of dimension. First one, to check the correctness of a physical equation. Number 2, to derive the relation between different physical quantities. And number 3, to change from one system of units to another. For today this much. Thank you.